Hello, beautiful people. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. So, I want everyone to please stand up. Okay, tayo po tayong lahat and do a little bit stretching po. Alam ko na medyo bawal pong matulog when we talk about business. Okay, so taas po yung kamay. Okay, yan. So, stretch po yan. Stretch po natin. Yan. Okay, so, yan. Para naman mabuhay-buhay yung mga dugo natin. Okay, so, okay na po. Okay, let's take a seat na po and then, yan. Nakasettle down na po lahat. Okay, ngayon, gusto kong sabihin ninyo sa inyong neighbor, left and right, you are wonderfully and beautifully made. Yan. Okay. Are all created in God's image. Tama po ba? Yan. Okay. So, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Okay? Dagdag na rin tanong ito, parang walang matulog. Okay? Sinong may ayuda? Taas po ang kamay. Alam po ba ninyo ang ayuda? Okay. Sino naman po ang tumatanggap ng ayuda? Okay. Ngayon, sino po ang gusto na magkaroon ng forever na ayuda? Okay, of course, everybody wants it, di ba? So ngayon, I want you to listen carefully kasi merong nag-iisang company na nagbibigay na forever na ayuda. Nga lang, paano po natin makukuha yon? Okay, so I want you to listen intentionally with your heart. Wala pong tulugan dito, especially sa mga bago nating mga partners. Okay, so well, sabi nga natin, ito pong ating marketing plan ay kakaiba po sa lahat. So, Atomy offers a great opportunity, but success requires persistence and passion. Saan po yung focus natin ngayon? Okay? Paano po yung passion natin? Yung mga passion po ba natin ay nawawala? The reason why we must keep on coming ending Success Academy, ODS natin, yung mga center seminar, kasi doon po uli mabubuhay yung mga passion natin kung nawawala na nga tayo, okay? But what excites you most about this business? You can only answer that one by yourself. And what lifestyle or freedom are you aiming for? Why is it na ngayon, andyan kayo sa upuan and you want to listen about the marketing plan, product, and company, and so on and so forth? Ano ba yung freedom na ini-aim ninyo sa sarili ninyo? But of course, I believe that it's not only for yourself, but also for your family. So, joining Atomy comes with several compelling benefits, okay? Making it an attractive business opportunity sa lahat ng mga entrepreneurs or yung mga gustong mag-start ng business na ito. Especially that when you learn yung detailed talaga ng company natin, doon talaga nyo ma-appreciate that I am in the right company. Now, are you in the right company? Yes, of course, di ba? Wala na pong balikan. Todo-todo na ito, laban na ito, focus na po tayo. So it says here that Atomy is making network marketing history. Bakit po? Ganito po kasi. Atomy's innovative approach to network marketing combined with its focus on quality products as na-discuss kanina ni Ma'am Michelle kanina, di ba? And of course, members' success has positioned it as a leader in the global, yung tinatawag po natin na multi-level marketing industry. So, i-discuss ko po mamaya yung mga innovative approach na ginawa ni Atomy as I go through with my presentation. Okay, so a well-balanced and righteous compensation plan is the first step to fulfilling Atomy's management objective. Ano po yun? To ensure your success and my success if you decide that you will do Atomy business. So it's up to you. Will you do it or not? But anyway, talaga po, ang talagang pinaka-main objective ng ating company, yung success ng isa't isa sa atin. Okay, so why Atomy calls it a righteous compensation plan? Because it's designed to help ordinary people like you and me. Ano ba ang target ng Atomy? Is it for those yung sabi natin na they have a lot of money? But if you come to think about those successful people na nauna po sa atin dito sa company, ano po sila? Mga bankrupt, di ba? Even our very own CEO. Walang-wala po siya when he started. It's like a lot of successful Atomians here in Atomy business, parang rags to riches po sila lahat. So, tignan ninyo, it is designed to help ordinary people like you and me to succeed in an honest way. Very honest po ang company natin. By what? By promoting good products, di ba? They are not hiding anything. Imagine ninyo, the products that we are buying right now is tinatawag natin na factory price po. Wala pong middleman. Ang body lotion natin is 380 peso. Kung ano yung price sa other countries, it's just the same. Ang pagkakaiba lang po yung mga tax natin, di ba? Kaya medyo magkakaiba yung price natin. But factory price po lahat yun. So, promoting good products, helping others grow, and making money in a balanced, ethical way. Kaya win-win situation po talaga ang Atomy system natin. So now, bakit po na Atomy? Dahil meron pong features at saka strength ang Atomy business. Okay, number one, binary system with equal opportunity. Okay po? Kahit ano po yung standing sa buhay natin, whether you are professional, malaki ang bahay mo, maliit ang bahay mo, you are a mother o housewife, or kaya isang engineer, isang doctor, pare-pareho lang po yung binibigay ng Atomy sa atin because this is binary system. You build your left and your right, and you earn based on balanced growth, not just on recruitment. Well, of course, we have to balance din naman yung left and right natin, di ba? Kasi po, of course, pag hindi siya balance, how can we, can we be successful? Like, paano pag left lang ang binibuild mo? You are not building your other leg, di ba? Yung right, nothing will happen. Kaya nga, binary system with equal opportunity. Number two, free membership. Sino po ang nagbayad dito nang pumasok kay Atomy? Wala, di ba? Sometimes yung disadvantage kasi ng free, you don't really put yung parang, you don't appreciate, di ba? But you know what? Ang laki ng ating advantage dito kasi si Atomy, no risk, no sign-up fee, no forced purchases, meaning you just buy the product that you need and no auto-ship requirement. Ganun po kaganda ang ating company. Now, number three, unlimited accumulation, no PV flash out. Tignan ninyo, in most multi-level marketing company, if you don't meet such yung mga criteria kasi sila, di ba may mga quota sila. If you will not going to accumulate such kind in a certain time, then your PB will expire or mag po siya, back to zero. But how about Atomy? Hihintayin ni Atomy yung points ninyo, especially sa smaller leg, para mag-match po siya doon sa mas malakas, then they will get your commission. When that will happen, it's up to you. Today, tomorrow, next week, next year, after 2 years, it's up to you. Pero ganun ka ganda yung ating compensation plan at accumulation. Okay po. Now, tignan po natin, tuloy po natin. Now, of course, we have number 4. Unlimited accumulation of downloads. Kaya may mga nagtataka, 1 year sila na-register. Naging consumer lang sila, kaya buhay ang kanilang mga account. But why is it that ang dami-dami na nilang members downline sa left nila? They even have members from US, Canada, and other countries. Why? What's the good point for that? Because unlimited accumulation of downline. This system encourages teamwork as everyone benefits from helping each other to grow. Okay? Kahit po, example, the other one, they are building the other leg or the other one is building the other leg. We are helping, di ba? It's a teamwork po kasi ito eh. So unlike other MLM company, with cut off at a certain level. Pero sa atin po, Atomy rewards you for all the activity under you, whether they are your direct recruit or not. Okay po? Po ang ating marketing plan. Kaya nga righteous compensation eh. Sa mga members natin, naalala ko, sabi ni CEO, if you are not full smart, okay, continue to look, okay? And then sooner or later, you will be having a member na full smart, na mas magaling kisa sa'yo. Are we happy for that? Kung may full smart na pumasok sa ating grupo, ay gusto ko yun I am super happy. Okay, so yun, walang pinipili ito eh, whether direct mo or recruit ng sponsor mo, limited accumulation of downlines po yan. Ngayon, number 5, Global One Marketing. Maganda din po ito. Members can build an international from any country where Atomy opens. Ilang branches na po tayo? Marami na, di ba? I think it's 27 countries. And this global accumulation of PB across different market enhance income potential. Imagine mo, may mag-order sa US. I will not tell you, Ma'am Ann, I finished my absolute set. Can I order? No, they will not ask. Automatic po yun na mag-order sila online, especially pag may mga promo, di ba? So makita mo na lang one day, 300,000. Meron pang 1 million. Gugulat ka na lang. Titignan mo kung galing from the other countries, kung saan po nag-ooperate ang company natin. As long as we have partners and members na nandun po, every time that the purchase product, aakyat po yan sa inyo. Kaya ang ating market is not only here in not or Philippines, but 27 countries. Ganun po kalakas ang ating business. Kaya pag sinabi nila, doable ba ang pagiging imperial master? Come to think that it's 27 global, 27 na global countries na po tayo. So it's up to you. How we work it out, bahala na po tayo. How long, it's up to you and it's up to me. So, last one, ito yung pinakamaganda gusto-gusto din, yung tinatawag natin income ceiling. Okay, so the ceiling ensures that more members can earn a share of the company's allocated commission. Lahat po tayo, di ba sabi ko kanina, yung ating compensation plan, lahat po tayo ay binigyan ng opportunity. May mga nauna, di ba? May mga nahuli dito. So, yun lang po yung kare-register. 1 day old lang po dito kay Atomy. Po. Meron po? 1 day old chick. 1 day old lang po dito sa Atomy. Baka sabi nyo, ay, naku, I will not work out Atomy because already, yung may mga na-register 5 years ago, 7 years ago, matagal na, baka na-recruit na lahat. Mind nyo, ma'am, kahit nag-recruit yan ng 5 years ago, I believe na hindi po lahat ay na-sustain. Marami pong mga, anong nangyari? Na-withdraw, di ba? Because if we fail to follow up, then it will happen. Nga, sayang yung pinagpaguran natin pag wala po tayong follow-up. Pero si Atomy, sabi na dito, that hindi lang po yung mga nasa top ang mag-monopolize ng tinatawag natin na mga matataas ng mga commission, but then lahat po tayo ay maaabot din po natin yan. Sabi ko kanina, when? Well, it depends sa akin at saka it depends sa iyo. So, ito po yung mga features and strength ng ating company. If you want to know more about this company, ano ang sabi kanina CEO, please get to know Atomy well. Huwag po kayong masatisfy sa sinasabi namin dito. You can also search online kasi transparent po ang ating company, or you can also ask your sponsor. Now, 27 global branches established, di ba? May Canada, US, Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, China, Korea, so on and so forth. So ganyan po, and it will continue to expand globally po. So, can you guess, after Brazil, ano po yung next branch na i-open? Baka may magbibigay ng himuhim. Okay, so we will be waiting for that. Okay, now, how to become a member? Kailangan po na meron po tayong person of reference, yung tinatawag natin na sponsor, para makonect po tayo. Simple lang naman po yung ating requirement. Kung wala po kayong TIN card, any valid ID po, pwede rin po yon. Ngayon, nga lang, meron pong a little bit difference po kasi ngayon. Meron po kasing dalawang klase dyan, types of membership. Meron po tayong tinatawag na consumer at saka distributor. If you will be registered as a consumer, meaning wala po kayong TIN card, okay? You can accumulate your personal PV. However, you cannot accumulate your left and right group PV. Okay, so by the time na agent na po kayo, or if you want to process your own TIN, pero for the meantime, register po kayong consumer, it can be also. Now, paano naman po ang distributor? It means that the distributor has, ano po yon? TIN card. Okay, so automatic na po pag na-download yung TIN card niya, naging distributor na po siya. Okay, yan. Ang distributor kasi, you accumulate your personal PV, and at the same time, you will accumulate your left and right group. Yan. So, bakit? Ano bang pagkakaiba ng consumer at saka yung business partner? Although, pwede namang ma-convert ang business partner ang consumer to business partner. Kaya mas maganda, tayo po ay magiging business partner. Bakit po? Pag kasi business partner po tayo, distributor po tayo, magkakaroon po tayo ng cashback. Ano po yun? Well, of course, commission, di ba? Okay. Tawagin ko munang ayuda, no? Okay, of course, meron po tayong ayuda. Pero iba ang ayuda sa Atomy. Wino-work out natin, di ba? Para meron. Kasi pag ayuda sa other term, not working but you are waiting. Okay, baka mabankrupt ang ating Philippines, ang ating country. But anyway, from consumer to business partner, paano po yon? Well, of course, number one, kailangan na mag-start po kayo na gumamit ng Atomy product. I did that one before, okay, from Hemohim to probiotics. Yun po yung mga first na product ko. The reason why I'm here. And then, well, of course, we changed from toothpaste, toothbrush, so on and so forth. Well, of course, naging mall na namin ang Atomy. Okay, shopping mall po natin. So, from that, we keep on buying products. But I did not only use the product and also my family, but we started to share the goodness of our product to our family, neighbors, and then to other places po. So ngayon, ako po ay isang business partner ng Atomy, and that can also happen to you. Yan ang kagandahan niya. You use the product and you can earn at the same time. Tama po? Okay, anong gusto ninyo? Lifetime kayo na magtutoothpaste na walang ibibigay sa'yo? Or lifetime kayo nagagamit ng Atomy toothpaste pero babayaran ka ng company kung i-workout mo siya? Anong gusto natin? A or B na situation? B, of course. Yan, okay. Sagot ha, parang walang matutulog kasi we are asking about your future, your money in the bank, okay? Okay, now, ano ba kasi ang PB? Ang sabi ng iba, mga bago, ano ang ibig sabihin ng PB? I just want the product, but ano ba ang PB? PB kasi, ito yung tinatawag natin na point value. Dito kasi nadidetermine ng company, okay po? Kung ano po yung commission na makukuha natin. Kasi nga lahat ng product natin ay meron pong corresponding PB. Like for example, yung diniscuss kanina ni Ma'am Michelle, we have the Absolute Seal Active Skincare Set. Ilan po yung PB niya? 130,000 PB. Ang laki, no? So yan, example lang po yan. Ngayon, dito naman sa Atomy, meron po tayong tinatawag na conditions for achieving membership level. Kung makikita nyo sa unahan, we have the member, di ba? Pag naka-accumulate ka ng 10,000 PB to 30,000 o 300,000 PB, ano pong mangyayari sa'yo? You can start to accumulate PBs, di ba? Now, ma-agent kayo and then you will become special agent, dealer, and then exclusive distributor. Yun na po yung pinakasiling na we have that personal PB na 2.4 million PB. Yan po. So, ngayon dito sa Atomy, meron pong 4 na klase ng commission. Can you read it with me together? Ready, go. General Commission, Mastership Commission, Mastership Promotion, and Center Commission. Wow! Kay Atomy, hindi lang po isa ang commission. 4 ang commission, di ba? Gusto niyo yun? Well, of course. Ang ayuda, once a month ba yun? Pero kay Atomy, every twice a month yun, may bonus, may commission, daily yung commission natin, o di ba? Daily yung ayuda natin. Okay, so tignan po ninyo, accumulation period is from Wednesday to Tuesday. Nakita po niyo yan. Pero ang payout po natin, it will be every Tuesday of the following week. Naintindihan po? Kung gusto niyo ang details about this one sa mga ating mga bagong friends, please talk to your sponsor. Now, tignan po ninyo mga sample dito. Yung tinatawag natin na PB accumulation. Bakit po 800 lang yung nakukuha natin? Kasi po, yung ating personal PB is 10,000 points lang po siya. While on our left and on our right, magkano po sila? 300,000 PB each. Ngayon, gusto nating pataas ng pataas ang ating commission. Bakit po nagkaroon siya ng 2,400 approximately? Kasi po, ano pang nangyari sa ating personal PB? Tumaas na rin po. Kaya yung value ng ating commission ay pataas ng pataas. Halimbawa po, 5,000 daily, every day. Gusto natin? Okay, let's work it out. Let's use more product, okay po? Para magkakaroon po tayo ng 700,000 personal PB, and then both sa legs natin, pag meron pong na-accumulate in a day na 700,000 PB, or kaya, di ba sabi ko kanina, mag-aantay naman yung lower leg. Kung maabot yung 700,000, magsabay po sila, then you will get approximately 5,000 peso. Paano man po ito? Yung sabi ko kanina, yung ceiling income natin, di ba? Ito po yung ceiling income commission natin. And that is 60,000 peso and this is daily basis. Doable po ba ito? Yes, you have to convince yourself it's doable. Why? Because this is a big global company. Ilang country ang sabi ko kanina na business coverage natin? 27 countries. Do you need to go from place to place, from country to country para mag-introduce ng Atomy? It can be, but it's not now. It can be, you can visit them later. Pero ngayon kasi this is online business platform. We can reach out nation from nation. It is because, ano tawag natin doon? Online business platform. If you're here, can you connect to your member in US? Yes, we can. Anytime? May time difference tayo, di ba? So you have to communicate what time, okay? We will communicate. Yung Zoom natin, it can be, this is doable, this is possible. We have to convince yung sarili natin na pwede po siya, okay? Yan. Bakit po pwede? Ano ang sabi ni CEO kanina? Sa video, there are like 12 imperial masters and more, di ba? Sabi niya, it's already confusing because a lot are being promoted, not only imperial master, yung mga royal master club, yung mga crown leaders club, di ba? Sa ganyan po kagandang Atomy. It's really, really good to do this business para sa ating future, okay? So now, meron po tayong tinatawag kasi dito na mastership bonus, okay? 7 mastership kasi dito. Okay, please read with me loudly, okay? Ready, go. Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, Imperial Master. Now, think for a second. Sa ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ano yung position ninyo. Pero within this year, anong position ang gusto ninyong ma-reach? Kung hindi pa kayo, wala pa kayong mastership, anong gusto niyo within this year? If you're sales master, master, siyang Rose Master, Star Master, or Royal Master, ano yung gusto ninyo within this year? You talk to yourself and I want you to convince yourself that within this year, by God's grace, you can do it. I have something in mind already. Yan. Well, of course, if you want to become sales master, magkano po yung pinakailangan natin left and right? Million PB, but you must accumulate 700,000 yung personal PB. Ano pong makukuha natin? We have skincare system. Okay. Then we have Hemohim and we have evening care for set. For free po yan na ibibigay. Okay po? Sabi ko kanina, free ang ayuda. Pero kay Atomy, it is more than ayuda kasi may mga product tayo, no? Hindi lang po pera. Ngayon, sino po ang gustong maging Diamond Master this year? Taas ang kamay. Parang nag-aalangan po yung kamay. Hindi ko yata kayo ma-convince. Sabi ko, 27 global countries. Okay, very nice. So, ilang sales master ang kailangan natin? Both legs, 4 lang po. And you know the product, yung ginagamit namin ngayon ng mga Diamond Masters, we have a free laptop for your business, okay? Para mabilis po ang mga transaction natin. Now, who is aiming to become Sharon Rose Master? Taas ang kamay. Okay, I'm raising my hands. Okay, of course. Ano ang kailangan ko? 4 na Diamond Master. In magkano yung cashback or cash award na ibibigay sa akin? 80,000 peso at saka 2 travel ticket to Jeju Island. Aside from 250,000 na i-deposit nila sa aking account. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, so Star Master. Ilang Sharon Rose Master ang kailangan ng Star Master? Ilan yung cash award na makukuha? Ilang overseas travel ticket ang makukuha ngayon? Okay, hindi na po 2, di ba? Okay, now, Royal Master. Yan. Sinong gusto maging Royal Master? Sometimes, paano? How can we be Royal Master, di ba? Kung hindi pa tayo Sharon, kung hindi pa tayo Star, okay? Hindi po natin pwede na lagtawan yon. So, we have to work hard. When somebody asks who wants to be Royal Master, Imperial Master, one is raising their hand. But when you raise your hand, it should be intentional po yan. Kasi, pinag-uusapan na po ninyo natin ang ating future dito. Okay, so, pag Royal Master ka, dapat na 4 na Star Master ang may promote mo. Magkano man po yung cash award? Lakasan po natin. Magkano? Okay, magkano po yung sponsorship activity fee na ibibigay ng company? Yan. Yung overseas travel po, Parang malabong mata natin, di natin nakikita yung screen. Kailangan mag-ilutin po tayo at saka Omega. Okay, yung car rental, vehicle payment, car rental fee na po yan. So, ngayon, yung Crown Master naman dito. Well, of course, to become Crown Master, you need to promote 4 Royal Master. Okay, dalawa sa left at saka dalawa sa right. Okay, magkano pa yung cash award na ibibigay sa kanya? Okay, pataas ng pataas. Yung sponsorship activity fee na ibibigay. Para saan ito? Para sa mga na partners. Tutulungan natin sila sa lahat ng mga activity nila para ma-promote din sila pataas. Katulad natin, di ba? So, magkano po yung worth ng luxury car na ibibigay Atomy sa atin? Ang hina, no? Meron akong mga business partner. Katulad ko din na ordinary person. Sometimes we just use yung tricycle na kahit karag-karag, basta tumatakbo. Sabi ko sa kanya, sir, ay ma'am, sabihin mo kay sir, kasi si sir ang nagde-drive sa amin, sabihin mo kay sir na papalitan mo ang tricycle na ito. Kasi papalitan niya ni Atomy. Maniwala ka lang, tama? Yes, if we will work out, nako, ang 2.5 million worth na car, ilang tricycle ang mabibili? Pag i-convert mo. Pero wag po kayong bumili ng tricycle. Pwedeng mamigay ng bagong tricycle, di ba? Pero of course, yung car may bibigay ng Atomy. Okay, now, ngayon po, pataas ng pataas, ito na po yung pinakaasam-asam ng lahat. Ano po ito? Imperial Master. Ilang Crown Master ang dapat nating i-promote to become Imperial Master? 4. Okay, kung titignan po niyo yung value ng nasa harap ninyo ngayon, ang laki-laki na, di ba? Is there any company that can give you discount of kind of amount? Imagine mo, tignan po ninyo itong cash promotion total nila. Bonus lang po ito Pag Sharon Rose Master ka, magkano po yan? 80,000. Pag Star Master, ilan yung bonus? Pag Royal Master po? Pag Crown Master? Pag Imperial Master? Okay, now, you pick your choice. Anong gusto niyo dyan? Okay. If you pick your choice already, I want you to make a plan after this ODS. Paano ko makukuha yung bonus ng Sharon Rose Master na yan? Ng Star Master, Royal, Crown Master, Imperial Master. Sulat po natin yan sa ating live scenario. Yan. So, Atomy Success Club. Okay, so, Auto Sales Master. Masarap po ito, ma'am. Kasi, andito na po ako sa Auto Sales Master na ito. There were times na yung automatic lang po na umaakyat po yung points. Pero may times din yung sabi nga nila manual auto SM. Pero a little bit points lang naman yon. Sooner or later, kahit totoo yung sinabi ni CEO, kahit natutulog ka, money is going to your bank account. Totoo po yun. Siguro sabi natin, doable ba talaga si Atomy? We are already here standing in front of you, speaking in front of you na totoo Atomy. So mag-aim po tayo na next year marami pong mga members po natin, okay, na magkakaroon ng award ng Auto Sales Master, okay? So yan po. And then Leaders Club, ilan po yung annual salary ng Leaders Club? 4 million or more. And we have the Royal Leaders Club. We have here Royal Master Ma'am Claire. So ang annual salary nila ay 8 million and more. Think they are recruiting? They are selling coffee? Hindi, ma'am. Kasi nga natutulog lang po sila. Pumapasok po yung mga PB. Every time you drink coffee, you wash your dishes, you shampoo your hair. Why? Are we making their commission? No, it's not. Because we love the product. Nakita niyo yung wisdom ni CEO dito? Because of this high quality product na hindi ma-compromise, and it's because people are loving it. That's why they are making it to this Success Club. And what's the next one? Crown Leaders Club. Ilan po yung monthly salary nila? 16 million and more. How much more sa Imperial, di ba? Pero matulog naman po tayo, kahit marami tayong pera. Para makatulog po tayo, anong gagawin natin? Kahit natutulog na tayo sa bed of money? Share, okay? Share natin. Low profile lang po yung buhay natin. So, ngayon, educational system that leads to success. Ngayon, ano yung step para magkakaroon po tayo ng balanced life or tinatawag natin na pension income. Pension kasi you don't need to work na, di ba? Okay, sino po yung 80 years old dito? Wala pang 80. 70 na lang po. Okay, meron na po ba kayong pension income dito? Wala, ma'am? Okay. Gusto ba ninyo na ibibigay yan ni Atomy? Yes, of course, di ba? So, anong gagawin natin? Kahit ano po yung educational background natin, kahit ano yung age natin, as long as andito po tayo sa system ni Atomy, ano po yung system ni Atomy? Regional seminars, mga webinar po natin, Success Academy, at saka one-day seminar. Walang sikreto yung mga imperial master that who are earning 16 million, not only monthly, I guess. I mean, not only annual. Monthly, they are getting like 5 million monthly. Possible po ba yun? What is their secret? Actually, yung secret nila, hindi na secret eh. Ang Atomy, walang secret. Andito na lahat. Very transparent ang ating company. Nga lang minsan, nagbingi-bingihan po tayo, nagbulag-bulagan po tayo. We know everything. I know that Atomy Philippines, very smart people. But the thing is that we are not doing. Kung baga, full na yung ano natin, yung head knowledge natin eh. But the problem is that, kung ayaw po nating mag-attend ng mga seminars, you always say that, seminar, seminar, seminar. You know what? We all Atomians here in the Philippines, why are we continue to join seminar, although we heard that one 10 times, 20 times? It's because for our new partners. Sabi nga nila, kung gaano karami ang mga members mo na nagjo-join ng mga seminars, ganun kabilis ang speed ng ating business. Pero pag wala tayong ma-invite kahit isa, anong mangyayari, ma'am? Ay, buti pa yung ibang grupo, ang dami, no? Pero pare-pareho lang po tayo, it's hard to invite. But anong sabi ko kanina earlier, persistency, di ba? Pag meron po tayong persistency at saka yung passion natin andon. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, yung passion natin pag nawawala, join one-day seminar, Success Academy, at saka mga webinar natin. It will help you. Marirefuel po yung passion natin to do Atomy business. So, this is the system that will lead you to your success. Okay, I will end with this verse, and that is in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 9 to 10. It says here, honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops. Then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim over with new wine. Everything comes from the Lord. Lahat ng ginagawa natin, it is for His glory alone. So thank you so much for listening. I am Diamond Mas and Dimas from Bonto Cap Center.